Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is how I make my fun-shaped crackers. So let's get started. So the ingredients that you'll need is 1 stick of butter. I have it at room temperature. 1 egg. 3/4 cup of sugar. Some vanilla extract. 2 cups of flour. Baking powder. Salt. And some milk. So you'll preheat your oven to 350. I have it on bake. 350. These are the fun shapes that I picked up. You can get them at Walmart, so they're all different shapes. I also picked up these candy wafers. I'll melt some of them with either flavor, strawberry or the light blue, which is a vanilla flavor. And then I'll put some of these rainbow nonpareils on top. It's optional, you don't need these. You'll also need parchment paper. So in my bowl, I'll place it on my mixer. So I have my bowl on my mixer. I'll mix in the 3/4 cup of sugar with the 1 egg. Now I'll mix this until it's well combined. So I'll put my attachment on. Now I'll scrape the sides. You want to make sure everything's mixed well. Alright, that looks good. So now I'll add in the rest of the ingredients. I'll add in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'll eyeball it. Now that my egg and sugar is combined and I added in the vanilla extract, I'm going to add in the 1 stick of butter. And I'll mix that until that's well combined. I'll scrape down the sides. Now I'll add in the rest of the ingredients. So to my 2 cups of flour, I'll add in a teaspoon of baking powder. There's the 1 teaspoon of baking powder. To 1 teaspoon of salt. I'll mix that in. I have my 1/4 of a cup of milk, so I'll pour that in before I put the flour in. Now I'll add in my flour a little at a time. Now I'll scrape down the sides. You want to make sure everything's mixed good. That looks good. So now I'll turn my mixer off. I'll remove my bowl from my mixer and the attachment. I have my baking pan with parchment paper, so I'll leave that off to the side till I'm ready for it. So I cleaned off my attachment. I have my rolling pin. I'll move this off to the side. I'll place a little flour on my counter. I'll remove the dough from my bowl. So I'll knead the dough. I'll add a little more flour. So what I'm going to do now is roll it out. It's a nice soft dough. I'll roll it out. And what I'll do is I'll take my cookie cutters and cut whatever shape you want, and I'll put it on top of my baking pan that has parchment paper on it. I'll take heart-shaped ones. A circle one and a star. And I'll just continue on with the cutouts. I'll make a big one. So you can see all the fun shapes that I cut out, and I have it on parchment paper. So now I'll continue on with the rest. Now I'll take the dough and re-roll it. Add more flour. Just roll it out. And just keep repeating the process till all the dough is used up. I'll make some flower-shaped ones. And you'll bake these in your 350-degree oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Once the cookies come out of the oven, you want to let them cool, and that's when I'll melt the strawberry or the vanilla chocolate that I have and coat the top of the crackers. So into the oven this one goes. So now I'm on to the second tray. And I'm placing flour on my counter each and every time I roll out my dough. Place flour each and every time on your counter before you roll out your dough. This will be about it. This will be the last cracker I get out of this dough. This recipe does make a lot of fun-shaped crackers, so I'm waiting for my other one to come out of the oven, and then I'll place this one in. A few more minutes and it's ready to come out of the oven. Look at that. I'll let them cool before I coat the tops of them. So now I'll check on them. Oh yeah, look at that. Whoop, steamed right up. That looks good. So they're ready to come out of the oven. I'll put the second batch in. Look at how nice they look. So I'll let them cool. Don't they look nice? They smell good. I really smell the vanilla. So what I'm going to do now is open up my candy wafers. I'll place them in the microwave until it's melted. So I'll place a little in at a time. So into the microwave it goes. Now I'll mix it.
What are you making?
I'm making you some fun-shaped crackers.
Now tell me. Are they hard yet?
Yeah, I'm going to coat them now. Okay, so I'll take this flower-shaped one.
Can you put them on a cupcake and make a cupcake with them?
Uh-huh.
Yay! Oh, you're gonna put sprinkles on there.
Yeah, let me dip it in.
I have never seen these sprinkles before.
No. And I'll place it back onto my parchment paper.
Next, circle.
So I'll continue with the rest.
Done. This is going really good. Next.
Okay, you're putting them all together?
See, look it.
Oh, okay.
It's gonna
Okay,
take-
I'm going to continue putting the chocolate on top.
It's gonna take a while,
Okay.
but with you getting rid of them, I'm gonna have more space.
Oh,
I'm gonna
okay.
have more. Less cookies, so I don't have to stress as much putting all these cookies around.
Right.
This is actually kind of hard. I never thought doing cookies was so hard.
I know, huh?
Actually, why is it hard?
So I'm just taking the back of my spoon instead of dipping it in. You can either dip it in or use the spoon, and I'm coating the cookie.
Oh, I did it!
Excellent.
See, I lined up all the cookies. Look
Now
at
I'll take a little more, put them on top. Okay, what do I gotta
Look
do?
at all my cookies I lined up.
Wow, that's awesome. Uh-oh, she stole another cookie. Oh! So you can see how it comes out using the spoon. You don't need much on here. And I'm placing them back onto my parchment paper because these candy wafers will harden up of the crackers. And you can see how nice they puffed up. Are they good?
Yes, it's going to look good. I'm going to have all of them on the seat.
I'm almost done. And then I'll do the other ones and I'll do them blue.
Yay!
How's that? Pink and blue. They good?
There's a candy wafers.
That's what I
Are these
use.
really, really strawberry?
Try one. Then you tell me.
This is good.
Is it good?
Try it.
Okay, wait a minute. It is tasty, isn't it?
I think I know why I love it so much.
Why?
Because there's this Starbucks thing. It's called Strawberry Refresher Cream with this, like this item. And I think that's why I like it.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm almost done.
There's just a bit more strawberry.
Now I'm down to the last one. And then I'll melt the blue ones.
And this video is gonna be long.
This is a 7-ounce bag that I picked up. And all I did was use probably half the bag. And that's how many crackers it covered. And I call these my fun-shaped crackers. So now I'll take this light blue, which is vanilla flavored, and this is a 12-ounce bag, and I'll melt half of them for the other batch of crackers that I made. So now I have the second batch that I'll coat. So these wafers are blue in color, but they're actually vanilla flavor. So I'll put some in my bowl. You don't need much. So I'll place this in my microwave to melt. I'll put it back in. Alright, that looks good. So now I'll start coating these crackers. So I'm just taking my spoon. You can see how nice they come out. So I'm just placing them off to the side on the parchment paper with these crackers as well. Okay, try the blue one. Ooh, so they're excellent, huh? Good. So now I'll finish the rest of them.
I'm not gonna go down so I don't get my hands messed.
I know. So now I'm down to the last one. And you can see with this recipe how many it made. And these are my fun-shaped crackers. So now I'll take one, give it a try myself. They're good. They're really good. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watch me make my fun-shaped crackers. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.